Hi, I'm going to show you how to get started with Screencastify. So that would include locating the button and navigating the record menu, and then how to save your videos and access them once they've been made. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to know how to find your button. So you're going to find that in the top of a Chrome web browser next to your search bar. This has already been pushed out so that it links with your Google account. So you might need to be signed into your Google account in order to find it. Now, the button looks like this little arrow with a camera inside of it. And mine has a red dot because I'm also currently using this to record this tutorial. If you don't see that button up there, all you need to do is hit this puzzle piece, and it's going to list all of the extensions that have been added to your account. So you're going to scroll down until you see the one that says Screencastify, and you want to make sure that this pin is blue. So when I click it, you'll see that my Screencastify button disappears. But when I click it back so it's blue again, you can see that the button has come back. So that's all you need to do to get ready to use Screencastify. As soon as you're ready to create your first video, you're going to go up and you're going to click that, and a menu is going to pop down. Now, since I'm currently using Screencastify, I can't show you what that menu looks like from right here, but I put it in a Google drawing so that you can see it nice and big. So the menu that you use when you hit this button has three options for the types of videos you can create. Option one is to create a video of just your browser tab. So that would be one tab that you would be recording. That's a good option if you're going to make a video where you want to click around as you're talking, but you only want people to see the one tab that you've chosen to share. The second option is to record your desktop, and that is going to record everything that you're doing on your desktop. So that allows me to click to different tabs. It allows me to show resources that might be in the files on my computer. And again, everyone would be seeing everything that you're creating or that you're doing on your screen this way. You can also choose to embed a webcam, and that's going to put this little box on your screen to show you talking. And you can move this around to different places so that it's not going to be covering up anything that you're trying to share. The last option is to create a video with the webcam only. So what that does is it basically turns your computer into a camera recording whatever it's looking at. So that would be a video of just you talking. So that would be just this box would be the whole video, just you talking. As soon as you've finished creating your video, you're going to go and hit this Screencastify button again, and you're going to hit stop, and that will end your recording. As soon as you hit stop, the video that you created is going to pop up in a new tab, and you're going to have to wait a few minutes for it to upload before you can really do much with it. But as soon as it's uploaded, you can go in and you can change the name of the video. You can trim the video to cut out parts at the beginning and at the end. And you can also publish your video directly to Google Classroom here or to YouTube. You can also choose to send your video in an email. You can generate a QR code, and there's also some other options if there's another place that you want to share your video to. The last thing that I want to show you is how to find all of the videos that you've made. So again, you're going to go back up to this button, and you're going to see this menu pop down once again. And you're going to hit this little play button in the top pinkish colored bar, and that's going to take you to all of the screencasts that you've made with Screencastify. So you can see them all in one place. Now, one thing I learned is even though you can record videos that are as long as you want them to be, you don't have unlimited space in here to store all of your videos. So you might want to go and delete some of your older videos once you no longer need them to free up space for you to hold all of the videos that you're creating. That's why it's always good practice to save videos that you're making to YouTube or Google Classroom or your Google Drive so that you can still access them when you do reach the point where you start to run out of room here. So those are the basics for getting started with Screencastify. I hope that that makes you feel like you're able to give this a try. And I want to remind you that we're all learning, and it's going to take several tries before you're making a video that you are happy with. So just give yourself some grace. I think once you go in and you try making your first video, you'll start to get more and more comfortable using this tool. Thanks. Bye.